Finally, the reason why Eugene Arhin Congo cheat on his wife don't come outside. Because I know say many of una join me because I don't dey tackle this matter. Say who be the person and why it happen like that. My people, I don't bring una the matter now. I know say una don't dey happy. For una information, the girl name na Chantel Kujawu. Abeg, people na just dey forgive me, they go, you understand? Anything wey happen to name, no be my language, I dey try, you understand? Yes, na the girl name be that. And according to all the things where I gather, they say this girl, if you dey say person rich, na understatement. This girl get money, na the cars, na the house, the dresses, wetin she no get? Make her even burst on her bubbles. She dey drive, no be one car. And this one sef na the I dey sure say na the list of them. She get Benz, she get Porsche, she get all that. My people, no be small more. When I hear this matter, I come dey wonder say who be this girl? Who be this girl? My people, they say she dey travel go Canada. Normally she dey base for Canada, but she dey come Ghana once in a while. And that once in a while, now when MPP dey in power, you understand? Because now from there she dey. Make I not talk the one way big pass my mouth. Yes, so my people, now she be this, now she dey cause problem for Mr. Eugene house right now as we dey talk. Wahala. When this girl picture reach me first, I couldn't say, this face looks familiar. I've seen this face somewhere before, but I did try picture the thing, understand? Last, I can't say yes. Now she. Una remember pajamas matter? I mean, if una no remember, no they pretend. Now she be the one we can expose our dapper. I be na so they pronounce her. Now she expose her. Say, baby, what are you putting on? Baby, this one. Finally, now my people matter don't clear for air. Say now this girl they chop 2 politicians at once. And I'm not even surprised if another one did the picture, because this one na the one way we know, the one way reach us. This girl no be smart, you know. She just the target MPP members. Like back to back, she the target them. After now, una go come dey tell us plenty story. Now matter don't come outside. Assuming person can't tell this one before, we go dey look at like say person they mad, but now it don't come out. So after you, madam, you leak person video, now you don't come break another person home. You just they jump from one to another, just like that. But my sister, you greedy. No, I must say the truth. You are very greedy. You are a greedy human being. Only you 2 politicians. Why you not just take one? You understand? Just manage one. They allow us. May we enjoy another the remaining one. You understand? Because now I just insist on only you the chop. Because not be only you go drive Benz. Oh, I must drive Benz. And if not like that, because may we join. I be my people waiting. I think because money will belong to people. Now only one person head they go. Hi, money they got now. Mr. Eugene Ogasa, Your Excellency, sir. You know even the fear face again. Where your senior they chop. Now there you don't go enter. Now they share plates. Just director of communication. You they drag with Minister of National Security. No, see the gap. Just see the level. My people. These people now, I don't know. I don't even know. I they look for name where I could even give them now. You understand? Because I don't know what they can't they teach us last. Politicians. See, the matter with they grand now, not be just these politicians. Slay queens now don't join. How you go just destroy person house? And for una to say this gay intention no even clean. For una to say, you know, say some people they follow man for money, you know, say okay, because they broke, they come from poor family background. But this one, for una just to say in conscience not clear. Oh yeah, you don't make money, you don't buy house, you even they stay for Canada, you've bought cars. Oh yeah, leave these people. Mba. This thing need tell you say something. So, see, some people they get evil mind though. Una go just dey see them like that. They come from somewhere. Which money this girl need now? As me and you they talk. Which other money? If nobody say she get another plan, another intention. Make una stop dey follow married men. Stop dey follow them. The consequences no go good oh. E no go good. My people, no time. Abeg, may we go straight to another news wey bring us here today. Federal government right now for Nigeria, they don prohibit fresh protest for that Lekki toll gate matter. And this one na Lai Mohammed bring am. No be small matter o. According to Ran, he say this nonsense wey protesters wan come do. They talk about those Occupy Lekki toll gate. He say the nonsense wey they plan to come do February 13. He say if they no take time, the number of people wey go die this time, say they no go care. Na wetin e mean o? I dey give una the meaning now. And he say 37 policemen, they kill them, they murder them for that. You know, remember that October matter for NSAS protest? He say 37 policemen die. So that one, you know, go take unlikely. You understand? So now, any plan where we, the youth, we get concerning this Occupy Lekki toll gate, it better maybe start the council and now. If not, they no go dey responsible for anything will happen to anybody. And as at now, he say some Nigerian activists, they don't link up with other Nigerians where they outside to plan to destabilize the country. My people, plenty grammar full inside this matter. See excuse where these people they bring. They even sabi English, destabilize. For the thing where go favor them, they sabi bring big grammar. But if not to save people life, security, they no go sabi speak. 37 police were murdered. 37 police were murdered. So what should we do? What about the innocent citizens that died too? You don't even think of that one. You know concern you. Nothing like that, oh. Nothing like that. We either protest or you just leave our country alone for us. You have two choices. We protest in peace and you allow us protest, or you fix this country, because we not fit just they live in fear every day. We they live in fear, we they live in doubt, we they live. In fact, people not even get peace again. And they to say make people no protest. Okay, now may we even think am this way. After Occupy Lekki toll gate happen, una no say defend Lagos come up too. Now remember, so how come now only Occupy Lekki this man bring up where they against? How come we not talk about the defend Lagos? I been at two groups they come protest. Why you just side one side, you leave the other side? Yeah, citizens have every right to protest as long as it's a peaceful protest. You understand? It is their right. These people, any small thing where youth one can do as protest, they go now. Then we even bring violence. Nobody they come protest with knife or gun. All we want is justice. All we want is peace. But now go come turn out to war. People go come they think say the youths are violent. The youths are please. We are protesting peacefully, and I'm sure una go even agree with me. All the things where we they protest for now, especially this Occupy Lekki toll gate, now because of good reason. We know they just stand up like jobless people where we don't know what to do. How you now go decide to reopen that place after murders happen, after killings, after why? And we know what make people come outside, make they come protest. Chineke, you they can't stop Occupy Lekki toll gate protest, but you never stop Fulani headsmen. Never stop them. We are going to protest. You understand? And nothing will happen because it is our right. And I'm standing on it, gidigba. Una even they protect the headsmen. Una they leave citizens. See, make that thing. I just see. I don't know why, but I just they get this feeling. Say this time around, the thing go war, like the war. It go double. Now the feeling where I get, because now only this thing where this man don't come talk, and my people. Forget this plenty talk. We go take in word in serious. You understand? But that one no mean say we don't know our rights. Because these people no look there like that. Oh, if they don't talk this thing like this, now be say they don't they plan something. You understand? They don't they plan something. So see, now our right. And nobody supposed to come from us. If they want, oh yeah, make we even agree now. Since we now want make we cancel Occupy Lekki, what. Oh yeah, we go cancel Lamo, no problem. As long as say una no dey reopen any toll gate. Now the decision now wey me I bring. If una no want any protest, no problem. But make sure say una no open that place. You know if you beat pikin, then expect me pikin no cry. Where is him? You know fit happen. So you don't beat us now we dey cry. If you truly care about your soldiers wey die, ngwanu, do something about Boko Haram. Do something about the headsmen. See, treat people with equal respect and equal love. Because the thing one they do now, I don't they notice say una they get specific people who una they treat nice, who una they fear, some una they fear, some una like I'm not just understand. May Boko Haram arise now. May their matter arise. You go see everybody go keep quiet. Now una sabi come outside, give us punchline, give us headlines, give us this one. Pikin wey say mama no go rest. Wetin go happen to that pikin? The pikin too no go see rest. Now wetin I get to talk. Abeg my people no time, we go straight to our other news. When people they talk say people wicked, some people they do some kind things. You know where my mind they go? Not only for African magic. But now I don't see in real life. Like the thing don't clear from my eye. Some people they wicked. You know, say that time. Okay, now you know plenty like that. For African magic, if una they see wicked stepmother or wicked mother-in-law, una go no say person wicked. Now the last time I see something like that too, my people person pour kerosene on top 6-year-old pikin. Kerosene. Anyhow, they toss na kerosene, but me, I still dey, you understand? I know that one, it happened because say the mama leave the pikin with the father, and they say that the father sister do am. The auntie now him pour that thing on top that pikin, and according to her, she say she do am because she won't show the mother say she fit do am, and she do am. So my people, I don't bring una correct matter, and this one is straight from Hilda Dokubo. Now she bring us this matter. So join me for una we no know wetin dey shele. Make we watch the video.
I don't understand how anybody can empty kerosene on a child like this. No matter the offense. No matter the offense. I don't understand. Do we still have anything called government protection of human beings, protection of children or anything? I'm calling on all Nigerians. If you have the capacity to protect this child, rise up now. Please, we will take this child to the nearest hospital. Let them check this head. We don't know what this is, right? Yes, you say it's kerosene, but look at this child. You know one bury Amabi? You know one bury, and someone could not begin to talk that one, but this na head. Na head they rotten like this.
Una dey sure say na kerosene they pour on top that person? Because I don't check am. I even bend the camera, I bend am, they check. That thing look like acid or one chemical like that wey strong. Some people wicked oh. Some people wickedness e don't dey pass politician own. Like you know understand this one dey e dey out of hand. Your blood. If person even do you something wey no be your family member, at least we go still dey talk say okay they no dey related. But this one your blood. The amount of child abuse now wey dey happen for Nigeria, seriously, see, we need sit down, discuss this thing. We need address this matter because it don't dey too much. All the different law groups, law organizations, see, we need sit down, tackle this matter. Child abuse don't dey too much for Nigeria. You don't see, it don't dey pass power. Which kind of offense 6-year-old pikin fit commit wey go result to this kind treatment? He break plate. No, because I just dey think 6-year-old no fit steal your husband now. So wetin this pikin come do now? parents, abeg, if una no fit take care of una pikin, no, I don tire. Why una go born when una know say una never plan things down? Don't leave your children with anybody. As long as say you no trust those people, no leave your children. This one even dey lucky sef say the pikin no even die. Some people, if you do them this kind of thing because their immune no too strong, they go just die once. Na another matter we for dey talk now. Sister-in-law call, brother-in-law ni. Come try am with me. See, make I no just to talk some kind things here, you understand, before I go block my own chances. No in-law go come my house, come there, disturb my peace. Oh, e no fit happen. Forget am. Because na your brother, abi na your son I marry. I no marry. I don't understand. Una go dey treat people like say una no get conscience. If you and this pikin mama get problem, solve am or make two of una dey fight una fight. No involve pikin inside. The thing wey even dey funny me now for this whole thing be say na this type person na dem dey run from church to church. They pray for fruit of the womb. Not only fruit of the womb. Na moi of the womb. You go dey pray. I dey sure say this one no even get pikin. And some people now they go dey blame God. See im handwork. So how God wan bless person like this when you no even fit take care of person pikin? How your own go come? Abeg, make we find this woman. Oh, we need find this woman. In fact, this matter dey very serious. I don't know how na dey take am. We need find am. She need pay for this evil thing wey she do, because this thing na, in fact, na animal. Chale, some things just dey touch me like that. And as for you, mama, I just dey hope say you don learn your lesson. You understand? I just dey hope. And thank God say your pikin no die. That one alone suppose teach you big lesson for your life. Say next time, no leave your pikin anyhow. You understand? Maybe your husband always dey busy. You no dey. Carry your pikin. See, my people, e better make you even drop your pikin with a stranger. Like what I mean by stranger, maybe your neighbor wey you know say get good heart, than your family member, your blood wey you know say get bad heart. Because anything fit happen. See this one now. By now, una suppose know who love you, who no love you, who wish you well, who no wish you well. By now, una suppose know where you are needed. Not be every place you dey accepted, because some people no like you. But una no dey hear. I no go talk past this one, my people. Now the matter I don bring una like this. So based on how I don't drop am, me and una now we need discuss, we need find solution to this problem. So drop am, anything wey you know, drop am for the comment section. And now they carry the pikin go hospital. So any other update concerning that one, now here una go find am. Now why una need subscribe, click on that notification bell so now you no go miss anything wey we drop. Una understand? Yes, now Aproko show be this. Meanwhile, we go on to our next news.